Hello, my alien students. Hope everyone is doing well. So, what's the story for today? The story is we have an AutoCAD file, which is this. We want to convert it to Revit. Okay, so we will learn step by step how to model it, and yeah, we'll start step by step. We also learn pipe sizing. One of my students gave me this file. He asked me, John, can you please help me? So we will do it. Okay. So I'll maybe do one half of it, and the remaining second half you guys can do it. Okay. I think that's the fair bit. Okay. So what we will do is we will link this file into Revit. We start a new screen, link it, create the architectural file, and then link that architectural file to system. Okay. We will learn step by step. Don't stress about it. Okay. So let's start. Instead of wasting time. Okay, so I hope you get the picture. Our aim is to convert this project into Revit. Hmm? Okay, let's start. And yeah, here we go. Where is the okay? But what I'll do is from the next class. This is just introduction trailer. Next class, we will. I think there's a problem with the recording. The size is small. Okay, so in the next class, I'll make it big, and we will start forward from there. Okay. Anyway, enjoy your class. See you all in the next class. Bye.